Sweet shell-shaped treats called Kul-Kuls. Kul-Kuls are a traditional East Indian sweet treat made around Christmas time. This sweet traces its roots back to the Portuguese sweet, Kulkuls and rola-das. So for today's history lesson, Kulkuls, carambolas, or carambolas, is a play on the word carambola in Portuguese, a star fruit which is a tropical tree found mainly in Asia. The Portuguese probably derived that word from the Marathi word carambola or kur-amara back in the 16th century when they colonized Bombay, Goa, and nearby areas. Most people make Kulkuls golden brown in color, but some of us East Indians like to add color to it. What ingredients do you need to make Kulkuls? Flour, egg, salt, ghee, semolina, powdered sugar, coconut milk, food colors, and ghee for frying. How to make Kulkuls? Mix the flour, salt, ghee, egg, semolina, powdered sugar and coconut milk together to form a dough. The traditional recipes does not add sugar to the dough, but we add some to sweeten it. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and allow to rest for a few hours or overnight. While the dough is resting, make a sugar syrup and keep ready. Divide the dough into 3 or 4 parts depending on how many colors you want make. You can leave it colorless if you want golden brown Kulkuls. Kulkuls are formed using a comb or a fork. Form small balls of the dough and place on the fork, flatten the ball and then roll it outwards and your Kulkul shape is ready. Dad taught us this. The comb tends to make finer shapes as compared to the fork, but it does take a bit of time. Sometimes we mix and match the dough to make multicolored Kulkuls. Once all your Kulkul shapes are ready, heat the ghee in a kadai and deep fry the Kulkuls. Remove with a sieve and dunk straight into the sugar mill. Traditionally, the syrup is poured on the fried Kulkuls, but Mom soaks them in the milk to make them softer inside. People love Mom's Kulkuls. Spread them out on a flat board to dry. Stir every half an hour to ensure they don't stick to each other. Here's the full recipe. Enjoy!